What the heck?
Oh, shoot. Why did I do that?
Social awareness.
Social awareness.
Whoops.
She's actually been quite busy. That was amazing. That was
No. Whoops. Oh, look out. Oh. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay. Oops. Whoops. Dang it, yeah. Yeah. Hey! My buddy's up there. We tried. And yeah, of course, yeah, yeah. Nice to meet you guys. Whoops.
Recalculating route. Please walk around fart radius.
Look out. Yep. All right. Oh. Shoot. Hello my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new here, definitely subscribe. Something kind of cool happened. I meant to mention this in the last video's vlog, but I totally forgot. Whether you love him or whether you hate him, the man himself, Elon Musk, responded to one of my videos on X. So random, an endless source of mirth. Someone ripped one of my videos from TikTok and uploaded it. Didn't credit me, but it got the attention of the Musky boy himself. I know he's a controversial guy, but he's one of the most influential people alive, so I don't know, I thought that's pretty cool. I thought that I would share that with the Bagel fam here, and a shout out to myself on Twitter at the HumorBagel. Anyways, that's all for now. Lots more good things in store for you guys. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I will see you next time, and until then, go have yourself a bagel.
What's your... I love it, man. Put me on it.
I
Make sure
appreciate
I'm
that,
on it. No, you definitely got me. I thought I was like, yo, I respect that guy.
That's awkward. So you got to see one when it doesn't even happen. Oh, blooper reel.